Hello, I'm back. So I just left a video of basically asking you guys a question on what you would do in my shoes. So hopefully you've already seen it. I'm hoping I put that up. I'm putting that up before this. I hope you already have seen it, as I have not done it yet. But I just finished that video, and I walk outside, just a little walk before I go to bed, and the sky had cleared up. It had cleared up enough where I could get good video of the Orange Brothers, Mohican, Old Faithful, and a government drone. So yeah, that really brought up my spirits. I was feeling kind of lonely there for a while. Oh, I'd be sarcastic, but yeah, I needed something to do. So, anyways, enjoy this video. You got a little bit of Mohican, Old Faithful, those two UFOs. They don't go invisible at first. They end up going invisible when the government drone shows up. Then we have the Orange Brothers. Please pay attention to them. They are new, and they seem to move simultaneously like this, and they'll go invisible simultaneously, like at the same time. But they also do it at separate times as well. But when they do it at the same time, it's pretty cool how they just go whoosh, just at the exact same time. So enjoy the video. All right, I'll talk to you later. Vasilious. When do I hit this? Hello, you guys. I just left you a rambling message on what you would do if you had these guys over your house. Well, it's like about 5 in the morning. I got this guy right here. He's obviously going invisible on me. I haven't zoomed in yet, but I'm in the communication spot. So I'm just zoomed in right there, and as you can see, he's chosen to go into invisible mode. Yeah, I got a good look at that on my TV the other day. It seems to be like you know how a soccer ball is made out of all those little patches to make it one. It seems to be like a soccer ball pattern of some sort. I don't know if it's light. I don't know if it's what they're made of. I don't know. But I looked at it. Look at it on a large screen TV and tell me what you think it is. But at first I thought it was just like lights making it look like that, until I thought I saw structures. Wow, the sky sure hell did just clear up. Oh my god, and they're all over the place. So this is my boy going invisible. I thought it was just him out here, and it was until 2 seconds ago. Let me show you who else we got out here. Remember the ones that went orange? That's them right there. That's them right there, the Orange Brothers, I call them. Yep, see that? The clouds spread just for a few minutes, just enough time for me to get some video in. I was feeling kind of lonely for a while there. And here is, I'm so confused as far as the names go, but I think this is my buddy who tries to come and talk to me sometimes. I'm staying very still right now, just to let you know. And let's see, we got a couple guys up there. We got this guy right here. You see him? He hasn't gone invisible on me. I think that's Junior, my buddy Junior. Wow, I wasn't expecting to see all these guys when I came out here. It's a pleasant surprise. Came out to have a cigarette and then try to go to sleep, and then realized that saw Old Faithful out here, first one. I'm sorry, Old Faithful, I didn't use you by name. I don't think that was Old Faithful, because this guy over here, if you guys can get him, I can barely see him with the clouds. The clouds are still thick over there. That's Old Faithful. But anyways, look how orange this guy is. He goes invisible on me. Him and his brother, they're always right. Look at that, they went invisible together. See those two? They just popped up on the scene. I don't know what the deal is with them. But they were never here before. You won't see them in any of my other videos. And they move simultaneously at the same time. See that? And they go invisible at the same time. Well, close to it. It's like on the one on the bottom, seems like he's going in and out. And see how they pull to the right? What's up with pulling to the right, you guys? Yeah, so these guys are brand new. I call them the Orange Brothers because they are more orange light than the white light. See that? They're both invisible at the same time. So now I'll go over here. I think this is Mohican right here. The last of the Mohican. So yeah. This is a pleasant surprise. I thought I wasn't going to see anything tonight. The weather has been horrible. So, oh, and look who's coming to the party. I was just speaking of him. The government. See that strobe light? That's them. And he's going to come through and ruin the party. I'm just kidding. But I was I wish they would share the information that they're gathering with me. You know, I deserve some information too. You're flying right over my property every night, invading my privacy. Isn't that illegal for cops to go over your place unless it's like a crime being committed? No crimes here. Yeah, look, he's going right to everybody. Yeah, he's coming right towards me. Right towards my property, my airspace. Yep. And then see, look, there's the alien. He's not going invisible either. Check that out. He's got some kahunas. He's not afraid like the other ones. So now, yeah, he's directly over my property, breaking the law, but we don't care. It's only an ex-alcoholic here, and I can't see him anymore because of the tree. So I'm going to go back up here to the Orange Brothers, who are still visible. They weren't scared of the government, were they? I wonder why these guys came to the scene and why they are so different than the others. Maybe they're headhunters, or they're the ones that do the abductions. Yeah, who knows? But cool. I'm glad these guys are out here. I'm seeing them in a couple days. So what else do I have? Dun 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 dun. Okay, I believe that is Old Faithful up there. Yeah, it's earlier in the morning, or later in the morning, I guess you would say. So he's usually not at that other spot this time of day. It's crazy how well I'm getting to know these guys well enough to know where to aim the camera, and I can see them in invisible mode. See them both go invisible at the same time? Yeah, they're together. They're together. See them moving at the same time? They're together. Let me pause this. Oh, and this is the guy that brought me out in the first place. Maybe he's Mohican. I don't know. I can't tell anymore. I'm going to pause real quick and go stand somewhere else. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm on the other side of the yard. I'm actually standing on the dock right now out in the water. And the two guys that hang the lowest to the water, they're playing the invisible game on me. I can see them with my naked eye, but I'm not getting them on my camera. But guess who I probably can get on my camera? The Orange Brothers. There's half of them. Where's the other half? Hold on, I'm spinning my camera around. Why can I? Oh, now he went invisible on me. His other brother was invisible. His brother was invisible, I should say. Huh. That's unfortunate because I was looking to video them. Oh, no, there they are. That's the Orange Brothers. Can you tell the difference in the light color by any chance? Well, it definitely is orange. The one on the bottom seems a little bit schemish. See how it keeps going invisible? That's what I'm saying. Some of the times they'll just go invisible at exactly the same time. Other times, one will just a little bit. But he's not going all the way, though. You see that? So, the night sure did clear up nicely for us. And here comes the government. He moved it. He moved, you see the government over there? He's at the top of a tree. You should be able to see him. Yeah, why is he not coming in? Has the government figured out how to go into invisible mode? Huh. But my boy's right here. He's all about the invisible mode right now. Because he's got the government like 10 feet away from him. I don't blame him. I wonder if they can see, if these guys can see him. Yeah, the government's right here. I can't get them on camera. Maybe they have their own form of invisible mode now. But you saw them earlier. Anyways, that's what they are. You saw them earlier. You know they're here. You